What type of chart is best suited for showing trends over time in Power BI? Line charts are ideal for visualizing data points in a continuous sequence, such as sales or performance over a period of time: days, months, years. They make it easy to identify trends, patterns, and fluctuations in the data. The line chart, however, remains the most straightforward and effective choice for time series data. Here's an example of when to use a line chart in Power BI. Scenario: you want to visualize monthly sales data over the past year to identify trends in revenue. Data, x-axis, time: months from January to December. Y-axis, sales revenue in dollars. Line chart visualization: on the x-axis, you would plot the months of the year: January, February, etc. On the y-axis, you would plot the corresponding sales revenue for each month. A line would then connect the data points for each month, showing whether sales are increasing, decreasing, or remaining stable over time. This visual would help identify patterns, such as seasonal spikes, dips, or consistent growth trends across the year.